24 megapixel mapper setup. Inserting SD card. Insert SD card into the 24 megapixel mapper prior to flight. WISPR ground control setup with 24 megapixel mapper. Power on drone. Open WISPR ground control. Click the W. Then click Settings. Select Payload. Then select WISPR 24 megapixel mapper in dropdown. Reboot drone to set payload settings. Enable RTK if required for mission. Select geotagging preference. This ensures that geotag is in the format for the processing software of your preference. In-flight camera controls. Click Camera Settings to drop-down options. Click to change shutter speed. Click to change ISO. Click to change exposure. Click to capture geotagged image. Flip to switch into video mode. Click to start video recording. Click to stop video recording. Click to autofocus. Thank you for watching.